That's a good start. Well, that's a closer look, but definitely caught.
1-0. Tonga.
Hunt adjustment. Very, very difficult to hit a winning drop volley. You're already just inside the service line. Much easier. Right on top of the net.
And it is tougher to judge on the sideline what it is if the ball is going long.
Yeah, it'd be fascinating to take a closer look at this.
Well, one.
This way comes from Mark.
Just catches the top of his racket yet.
So he will let off for Songa.
We need to get the virtual crit there from the Hawkeye boys.
It's coming soon. Molly's working on that. Right.